Now, this is the applet I want us to use. So in this applet, I can demonstrate parallel lines, then show you your transversals. You can see your transversals, then show you how these parallel lines can change depend on the effect of this transversal on them. Now let's see something. If I click on this point, you see I can move the parallel lines like this. So you can do the same thing when you click the link I'm going to send to us now. When you click the link, you will see this applet, then you should be able to do the same thing. I can move the parallel lines. You see, I can move it. I can click on this point and move. So anything you want to do, you can do it. You can position your parallel lines like this. You can shift this one up. So it depends on what you want to do. You see what I'm doing? I'm just playing around with the parallel lines, and that is that. So you can actually do that. But this is what I want us to learn. Now, for corresponding angle, if you click on this point, you will see corresponding angles here. So these angles are corresponding. So you can see this is 47 on this side, this other side is 47. You can see other corresponding angles by clicking on any of these checkbox here. Now you already know that these two angles they face the same directions. That is why they are corresponding angles. Now looking at this back here and this back, they are also corresponding. If you click on 2, you can see now these two angles are corresponding. 133, 133. These are corresponding angles. If you click on 3, you will see that 47, 47. These are corresponding angles, just like that. So with this applet, you can observe and see your corresponding angles and other alternate angles. So these are other corresponding angles. So these are the 4 corresponding angles on this parallel line. So make sure you use this applet. It will help you to understand them. You can move this point around. You can see it. See the way I'm moving. You can move it around. Any effect you want to create, you can do it and you will get the same result for easy understanding. Alright, so that is corresponding angles. If you want to see alternate angles, just click on alternate. You see, these are alternate angles. One thing about corresponding and alternate is this. You already know that this angle here, let me see. Okay, this angle here is vertically opposite to this place. So therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. And this angle on this side is a corresponding angle to 44. So you can see why alternate angles are also equal angles. So you see the reason why alternate angles they are equal angles, because the vertically opposite angle is a corresponding angle to this side. So if you click on the second one, if you click on this second one, you see another alternate angles here. So these angles are alternate angles. If you click on this, you will see another alternate angles. They are angles that are opposite on the parallel line. They are on opposite side of the parallel line, while corresponding are on the same side. You can see corresponding, you can see them. Corresponding are on the same side. You see this is on the same side. The alternate will now be on opposite side. You can see it. See, you can see what I'm trying to observe. This is for corresponding. You see, if you go to alternate, you see what is happening. So with this, you can understand this effect yourself. It will make you to understand your work very well. You can click on the point as I did and move around. You can change the direction of the parallel lines. See, you can change it. You can move it anyhow you wish. So any what thing you want to do, you have the right to do it. It's for your own understanding. Understand? Then the last one we have is this. So you can see this side is alternate to this side. I can click it and make it closer a little. I can move this point closer. So this is 32. I can move the angle a little bit close. So you see 73, 73. I can move this away. So that is why this applet is good. So just play around with the applet. It will help you to understand your parallel lines very well. Then finally, before we go, look at this same side interior. So when you add the two interior of the parallel line, for example, this 140 and this 40, this side, when you add them, you can see by the time you add them, it will give us 180 degrees. So these two interior, this is another important formula you must not forget in this topic. Whenever you add these two interior, it will give us 180 degrees. So take note of that. So that is all I want us to learn in this applet. That is all. You can check others. You can see this one as well. You see the interiors, you see when you add them, it will give us 180 degrees. So you can do for the exterior, you can see them. When you add them, it will give us 180 degrees. So just play around with this applet, click on it, and you will understand it better. So that is all for this applet. Get it from the link I will send. Play around with it, understand it your own way, and that is that.